we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how you can convert a number to a string type. It works the same way as it did with the conversion that we did last time, where we converted a string to a number, but this time the only difference is that we have to use the string method instead of the number method. Let's, for example, create a variable called example28. I print it out. And if we make example plus 12, we get 40. So it's seen as a number. If I add quotation marks, it's seen as a string. So we get 2812. But sometimes you want to deal with a number, but then convert it in a specific case. So let's just say we want to convert it right here by printing it out. So we simply add string, regular brackets, and then inside our variable name example, I'll make that plus 12 and we get our 2812. So example is now a string and not a number anymore. Then we make that 20 and we've got 2820. So to convert a number to a string, just use the string method and regular brackets. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.